Hello students. So today we'll discuss about the application report file and the project file for class 9th. Now see in this application report file and project file what you have to do. So in the report file, that is the application report file 1, and the second project file number 2. So your theory exam for the computer is for only 50 marks, and the remaining 50 marks is on the report file and the project file. So if this 50 marks is divided, this project file and the report file is comprises of 20 marks and 30 marks is for the practical. But suppose if the practical is not conducted, then the all practical marks will also will be added in the report file and the project file. So this report file would be of 30 marks and the project file would be of 20 marks. So 30 plus 20, it will give you the 50 marks. Now see what you have to do in this report file. So if you open your book, page number 8. So if you open the book page number 8, see, if you open your book page number 8, there you can see in the second report file, lab test 30 marks. So suppose if the lab test practical is not conducted by the school, so that 30 marks will also added on the report file and project file, and the report file plus y by 25 marks, and the report file is of 20 marks and the project file is of 15 marks. But if the practical exam will not be conducted, then report file will be the 30 marks and the project file will be of 20 marks. Now in the report file, since the Microsoft Word is in your syllabus, so you have to make a 4 document in the report file, 4 documents each with a word. So in the report file, what you have to do, 4 documents each prepared in Word, MS Word, Microsoft Word 2010. So this report file will contain 4 documents and each document is prepared in the Microsoft Word. So 4 different documents you have to prepare in the report file, and in the project file there should be the one document. Project file will contain 1 document prepared in Microsoft Word. This is also prepared in MS Word 2010. So now what you can do in the Word, in the document, see at the book, at the end of the book, many Word projects are given. So on the page number 338, you can see Word project 1. In the Word project 1, one greeting card is prepared for Diwali. See, create a greeting card on Happy Diwali. You can use the search engine like Google and Bing to take the image from the internet. Use any suitable Hindi font like Kruti Devi, Devanagari or Nada, etc. to write these things. So also you can take the another Word project 2, make a poster and say no to crackers. So like this. Second and third project is the article on the food and health. Third project is the article on food and health. Now Word project 4, you can see here, there is the so here Word project 4, in this we have prepared you can say a summary, or we can also say that some information we want to give on the why do we need food. Any topic you can select, on that topic you can give the information. So here it is created. So similarly, out of the 4 projects are given, so in the Word that you have to prepare. So in the project file, out of 4, 1 you have to prepare. but while preparing the project you have to write its steps also. As you can see, the instructions is given here. To write the article in a new document, set the page style, top margin, this and this. So whatever the margin you have set, which style you have used, so all is you have to mention in the steps. So you have to write the steps for the project file and you have to write the steps for the report file. So what steps is needed? So write steps. Write steps for each document. That how you have prepared in the Microsoft Word. Okay, which formatting character you have used, which formatting style you have used while preparing this report file, each document or the project. Okay, that is the requirement. Here also you have to write the steps. In this also you write steps. So in the project you prepare a good one. You can take you can make a good greeting card, and that greeting card should contain at least 2 page or 3 page you can take. So you can create a greeting card because it is a project work. So you create a greeting card which contains 2 pages or 3 pages. So minimum 2 pages you can keep a greeting card, or you can make a poster, good poster as you have seen, or also you can take you can write in the project some good article, and that's steps is also needed. Okay, now we'll discuss how we place these things in a file. So in the report file, first we design the cover page. So first page will be the cover page. And in the cover page, first page is the cover page. What you have to do in the cover page? So write the school name in the art style like this. You have to write the school name, Little Flower, like that. You can write the school name, Little Flower. At the center you put the school logo, school emblem, and after there here you write the report file, or what is there, a report file. You write the report, and after there report, and the topic name also you can add, that the report on Word document. Report on Word document. You can write a report on Word document, that you can add it. Report on Word document. And after that you can write the session 2020-21 session. You can write session 2020-21, and at the bottom side, left side, you write the submitted by. On the left side at the bottom you write submitted by. Submitted by, and there you write your name. On the left side you write the submitted by name, roll number and the class. Name, roll number and class. On the right side you write submitted to. On the right side of the page, on the cover page right side, you write submitted to. The teacher's name. At the bottom you write the submitted to, after that you write the teacher's name. So this is the first cover page you have to design. Now that is the first page of your file, and after that, when the cover page is over, then you design the content page, that is called the index. So second page will be the index page, or also you can write the content. In the index page, one page you draw, one page you take and you make it as the index heading, you give in the index at the center, and on the left side you write the name of the topics which is available in your report file. That topic's name means suppose in the report file 4 documents are there. So first document you have prepared the greeting card. So you write the topic greeting card and the page number, on which page number it is available. Left hand side topic name and the right hand side you write the page number. That is the index. Now the third page will be the preface or introduction. Preface, or also you can write the introduction. Introduction. So in the preface or introduction, you give the introduction about the report file, about the documents which you have included in your report file, about the greeting card, that you have made the greeting card on which you have made a poster on which topic, that introduction you give in it, and article you have written on which topic, or some visiting card you have prepared, or maybe you have written a story. So on which topic you have written the story, that you mention it here. In the third page, how you write preface, in the middle you write the preface. Suppose this is a page, one word page, so here you write in the center preface, and after that you can write the its brief introduction here. Preface heading, that is the third page. Similarly, you write the index also. Now the fourth page, after preface, you write the acknowledgement. What you write? Acknowledgement. Acknowledgement. Similarly, you give the heading in the separate page. After preface, fourth page will be the acknowledgement page. On the place of preface, you write acknowledgement, and in the acknowledgement, what we write? The thanking words. So here we write the thanking words for the school and for the subject teachers who has given you the opportunity to work on this report or on this project. So these things are common. These types of the pages you have to put in the project also. So fourth one is the acknowledgement, that you have to mention, and here you have to write the thanking words for the school, means the principal and the teachers who have given you the opportunity to work on this report file. In your own words, you have to write the words of gratitude. You have to show your gratitude toward the school principal and the teachers in the acknowledgement. Now after that, on the fifth place, you will put your documents: first document, second document, third document, and fourth document. And the document, while you are placing, so you write its step also. So how suppose you have prepared this first document is the greeting card. So you place the greeting card, and after that greeting card you write its steps. So suppose greeting cards you have pasted, and below you write its step. So in the steps below also you can write steps to prepare the greeting cards. Now what the steps uses, which images you have uses, how you have inserted the images on the word page. So which font style you have used for writing. Like see here it is mentioned, use this suitable Hindi fonts like Kruti, Devi and Devanagari. So and size, which size you have taken. So however whatever the formatting style you have used, all that you have to mention in the steps, how you have prepared. Similarly, you write the steps for the poster also. Similarly, you have to write the steps for the article also. And from here you have so in the project also you have to write the steps, and this also you have to write the steps. So after the acknowledgement page, you place all your 4 documents. So here on the fifth page, after acknowledgement, there will be your 4 documents in the report file. You put your 4 documents, and after that sixth page, after when all documents you have placed, so the sixth after that after the documents you add the page means at number 6. So that will be, so give me the space, where is the space here. So I'm going to write here just a minute. I can use the, yes, on this place I am writing. So after this cover page. After 5th, 6th one, you write the bibliography. So bibliography, this bibliography. So bibliography, like this, you give the heading bibliography at the center in a separate page, one page. And in bibliography, what you have to write? You have to write about the information of the sources. Resources means from where source, which source you have prepared this document. So first source is your computer application book, that you mention the resource, and after that, if any other books also you have visited, so if any website you have visited, so websites link URL you can write in the bibliography. So in order to prepare this report file, so this report, in this report file you don't add the bibliography, only in the project you add the bibliography. So while preparing this project, I have visited this link, I have used the content of, suppose in the project file you have used the images and you have written certain quotation, so some quotation words. So from where you have taken that quotation word, you can mention in the bibliography. Okay. So all that resource help you can mention here. If you have taken the help from your friend or from your teacher, so that person's name you have to mention in the bibliography. So that my teacher has also helped me, that person's, and my friend has also helped me, or some many other relatives, suppose any person have helped you to prepare the project, so you write in the bibliography. So this bibliography is only needed in the project file, don't put in the report file. Okay, here it is not required. And the 7th page will be the conclusion. 7th page will be the, at the end you put it the conclusion. In the conclusion, what you write in the report file, that you conclude that you have done the 4 documents, and each documents preparing these 4 documents you have learned different types of the formatting styles, that how to prepare these things, greeting card, poster, articles. So that thing you mention in the conclusion. So after going through this, what you have learned. Similarly in the project also, after doing the project on the Microsoft Word 2010, whatever the project you have taken, what you have done after going through this project, so that you have to mention in the conclusion in the project also. Okay, so like this you place it, this 2 content you put it in the separate file. You take the 2 transparent file, in one file you put the report file, and other also the separate other file you put the project file, and both the file first page should be the cover page. So you have to design 2 cover page, one for the report file and one for the project file. Similarly, so these things, like in this same order you have to place in the file. Now if you have a computer at home, you can prepare with the help of the Microsoft Word. If you don't have the computer, so you can prepare by your hand also. Write this on a A4 sheet paper, prepare the design a cover page good manner on a A4 sheet paper, and write these things by your hand also, you can do it. And good design, good greeting cards you can prepare by your hand, and that you can paste it on the A4 size sheet, and the steps also you can write by your own hand. If you have a facility of a computer, so you can write the steps in Microsoft Word, and that printout you can take it out, and that printout in a good format you place it in the file. And after that, when I will give you the date before the half-yearly exam, that you have to submit it. So 9 is there, so before 9 you have to submit. So one date I will tell you, maybe that one date you can take on 7. On the 9th exam is there, so last date is 7, so 6, on 6. So on 6th of November, 6th November you have to submit. On 6th of November you can submit. This is both the file. Okay, so otherwise I can check the file before the exam and I can give you the marks. This 30 plus 20, 50 marks, and 50 marks will be the written exam half yearly. Okay, so this I want to inform you. So this is all for the today. Thank you for your attention.